I have been shown you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom of our nation. 5 years ago, a great American, in whose symbolic shadow he stands today, signed the Emancipation Proclamation. This momentous decree came as a great light of hope to all the millions of the Negro slaves who had fiercely fled of the withering injustice. It came as a joy that brings an end to all that captivity. But 100 years later, we must face the tragic fact. All Negroes still not protected.
Each time we gather to inaugurate a president, we bear witness of the enduring strength of our Constitution. We affirm the promise of our democracy. We recall the life that dated together. It isn't the color of our skin, nor the tintings of our feet, or the origin of our pains. What makes us extraordinary? What makes us American? Is it our faithfulness to ideas to articulate in a declaration made more than 2 centuries ago? We hold things to be true and self-evident, that all men should be created equal, that they are endowed by the Creator with certain essential rights. Among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Thank you.
Approximately 300 years, let's give these kids a hand.